All right, here we are leaving the Evansville Regional Airport in Evansville, Indiana. And right now, Elon has taken the wheel. We're heading from the airport over to a supercharger in the middle of Evansville, Indiana, checking out FSD V14.2. So far, so good, right?
Yeah. I enjoyed airport mode. It's not actually a thing, but I'm calling it that.
And if you're wondering what airport mode is, you're going to have to go to the last video to find out exactly what that means. And it's actually pretty interesting. Didn't quite get the result that I thought we were going to get, but it was still a cool result because it's something that I think we've both said would be a nice feature for FSD. So make sure you go back to the last video, check out that airport mode in FSD 14.2. Yeah, so far 14.2 has been very comfortable. No brake jabbing yet, no steering wheel stutters around turns or weird reactions to lines on the road. So been very nice, very predictable. Speeds for the different drive modes seem like the speed thresholds have come down a little bit more, so it's not quite aggressive with the speed, which is I think good. We're actually in standard mode right now with a 55 mile per hour speed limit, and we're going 2 under. I don't think that's a bad thing. I think it's appropriate for the road conditions. Which are bumpy. I know people are probably going to see that and say, road conditions? What do you mean road conditions? It's not raining, it's not snowing. It's bumpy. And I like comfort. Alright. Turn on red there. Nice right on red. Alright, yeah, this is a nice little roundabout scenario here. Obviously no traffic, but good lane change. Very happy and smooth and confident there. No problems. Very comfortable. Part of the country. Very smooth stops. I would say much smoother actually than the 14.1 series. Definitely comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable. It's not drifting to avoid, some of these manhole covers and imperfections in the road. It was getting pretty aggressive on our road trip out to Indiana from Arizona. I would actually say that I haven't even seen it attempt to go around one of these potholes yet. It's kind of plowing through them again, so it's going to be interesting to see what the threshold is for Tesla an FSD in terms of how it decides what it tries to go around and what it goes through. So it's going to be, I imagine it's going to be a difficult thing for them to fine tune. I remember when we first started using FSD in version 13, how hard some of those brakings could be. Remember how long it would take to stop, and it would brake hard and get really close. Yeah, that was the other thing that we noticed on the road trip out here from Arizona was at nighttime, when it was really dark, when we were passing those semi-trucks without the marker lights on the side. You know, when we were alongside of those semi-trucks, the matrix headlights would occasionally light up the side of the truck, and you can tell that it's lighting it up so that the cameras can grab a quick measurement and understand where it is spatially, you know, in relation to the truck. And it was just kind of cool to see it doing those little checks and balances while it's driving. Buggy bath. That looked like a nice touchless wash. We're always looking for touchless washes. They're hard to find. Good ones are hard to find.
Yeah.
All right.
Donut bank. You know, I wasn't impressed with donut bank.
Smooth reaction to that vehicle pulling out there. Liv tried Donut Bank out here the other day. She loves donuts. She's a donut connoisseur. And you're saying you didn't like it, huh?
No. Oh, look, Cybertruck.
Oh, hey, Cybertruck family.
Yeah, no, I was not impressed with the quality of donut, and I expected there to be more variety.
More on that on Liv's Donut channel. That might not be a bad idea for you. Look at that guy, almost got in an accident being an idiot. Now the other guy's upset. That Tesla doesn't really react to road rage very well. Just kind of does its own thing.
Got no emotions.
It has no emotions yet. We'll see if Elon decides to give Tesla emotion or not. All right, got an object in the road here. See if there's any kind of reaction. Not really. Didn't go over it. Didn't react. Yeah. It's good. You know, even before, things that were not going to be hit by the vehicle, it would still move over. I didn't really appreciate that. I think good drivers know if they're not going to hit something, and they're going to like swerve just to indicate that they saw it.
Yeah.
True sentience. We're set to park in the Charger. Very good. Yeah, it's nice. It actually has an option when you've set the Charger's destination to park at the Charger parking lot or street. So another option comes up to park us at the Charger. So I guess we'll be checking that out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. This is a new YouTube channel, so please do us a favor. We're really trying to grow the audience and our subscribership here so that we can start going live on our trips and FSD tests. We'd love to jump on here live and hang out with you guys and chat with you. So please make sure you like and subscribe to Elon Take the Wheel. Doing our best to get on here and share some fun FSD content and take you some different places. Maybe we'll have to come up with like a donut tour.
Yes. I'm okay with this.
FSD donut tour?
Yeah. Take me to all the donut spots.
This is how you compromise in relationships. This is how you get your girlfriend to enjoy nerdy things with you. Promise her donuts.
Donuts and cool places where I can get out of the car.
That's right. We did a little bit of that on the way out here. We are coming up to our superchargers here. About to make our turn into the lot. I don't think we're gonna do any charging. Don't really need it, but we'll let it park. And we'll see how it does going into a cell. Let's see if it follows the urinal rule. You know what the urinal rule is?
Yes, you have to leave an empty urinal between you and the next person.
Very good. Very good. Very impressed.
Polite. Urinal etiquette.
Urinal etiquette, that's right. Let's see. The most Teslas we've seen at this charger.
Holy moly. I don't know if we're going to be able to.
Well, we don't get... I think there might be one place, but you might be right. There might not be any. Let's see who gives us the dirty look, and then they'll be happy to know that we're not staying. Who's not going to be happy with us?
Could have if we went all the way to the end,
so it does not. There is one empty stall at the end, and unfortunately 14.2.
I can't use either one of these because the chargers are both unavailable behind it. So
yeah. So actually, that's a really good point. This stall isn't even available, and it put us in this stall, and it also says please plug in to another available stall. So not only is this particular stall in use by the cars next to us, but this stall is also out of order. So interesting. I don't know how they're using it if it's out of order, but they are. Unless this isn't 3D, I can't quite see the labels behind us. Unless it's just saying in general that stall is out of order. But yeah, there was definitely a urinal rule that could have been invoked here. We could have taken that middle one, and we could have taken that end one.
Yeah.
So there were two options here where we could have invoked the urinal rule.
Urinal etiquette.
So we could work on that just a smidge. Well, I think now is a good time for coffee at a Starbucks.
We were not pulled up to the out of order.
We were not. Okay. So it was just the general message. And we're new to this, guys. We don't supercharge a whole lot. We're lucky enough to charge at home. But this trip, we've learned quite a bit about supercharging, and we're still learning. So, yep, that was not an out of order stall. And it happens to be that person in the far right was actually hooked up to the wrong stall, which is why one wasn't available to us there. All right, I think we should go get a Starbucks. Well, I think that will actually conclude this portion of the trip. Thanks for riding along with us on Elon Takes the Wheel. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We are going to continue putting up some really fun content and going different places together and sharing what we experience.